Hi, my name's Mike Naidoo. I'm Executive Chef at Catch at the Old Fish Market in Weymouth. Catch is a sustainable fish restaurant which focuses on producing plates of food designed around all the local abundance of produce, i.e. line-caught sea bass, Portland lobster, crabs, and any other species that happen to find our way into the shop downstairs. So obviously Catch at the Old Fish Market is situated above the historic fishmonger's Wayfish. Wayfish is my fish supplier. I say supplier loosely. They're an extension of the restaurant and we're an extension of them. So the local fishermen will come in and land to them. They will take in, process, do all the legal part of landing fish. And then they'll come to me and we'll discuss what's landed, what's gonna happen, what have we got in enough numbers to sustain a restaurant, which is the key element in this. You know, we can't be going from halfway through dinner service, switching to another fish, you know, because we need to know what we're doing. So it's really a working relationship between myself and the fishmongers. Here in Weymouth, there's about 30 boats in the harbour that are all sort of short boats, small boats that have small runs of fish nets or pots. So we try and work very closely with those fishermen to help maintain that community feel. And basically I don't have any control about what is really going on the menu. If it comes in, it's going on the menu. So it's very reactive, very, very organic. If there's a lot of red mullet in the water, red mullet's going on the menu. It will disappear, something else will go on, and you just have to kind of roll with it and let go. So the difficulty of relying on just working with small vessels is they're not always going to go out. So if the weather's bad, you're not getting stuff. So with the scallop divers, they will just text me on the morning, we're going, how many do you want? And I have to quickly think, react, work out what I'm doing, plan, and hope for the best that they're catching what I need. And then if they don't, it's just pivot, go, let's do something else. So yeah, they're great guys. I've been out on the boat with them. I was sick, sit on the side of the boat, bobbing up and down, but they're wonderful, wonderful guys and they are fantastic people. At Catch the Old Fish Market, we employ 3 full-time chefs, including myself, 1 KP and an apprentice chef. And then out the front, we employ 3 full-time, and then we have 4 or 5 sort of part-timers who work a varying amount of hours. I'd say the food culture at Catch here is simple, clean, I'd like to say flavourful and punchy, but that's for other people to decide. Yeah, it's simple food cooked nicely. Success to me and the business are 2 different things. Success for the business would be to have a full restaurant every single night, which obviously I want too. But success for me would be having everyone that leaves here glad that they've been here, learned a lot, and go on to do better things, because for me, the best part of being a chef is helping educate others.